Hi, I'm Olivia Xing. I'm the director and playwright for the new Theater for Audience and AAPI piece, Birds and the Curiosity, 鸟与好奇号. It's a coming of age story of the 9-year-old Chinese girl and her time traveling future self, and many birds and a singing hamster. Want to know more? Come see our show.
Hi, my name is Gefei Liu. My play Birds and the Curiosity, written by me and my friend Olivia Xing. There will be shadow puppets, a giant ostrich, a hamsters singing, and a lot of other fun stuff happening in this show. It's family friendly, but it's also welcoming all age audiences. Um, you will laugh for sure. You will probably cry a little bit if you're emotional. But anyways, it is a story that I believe should be heard by everybody. And please come to see Birds and the Curiosity. See you at the theater.